Save this video for your rainy post. So here I am sharing things I love about rain. First thing first, can we just appreciate the changes in the weather before the rain arrives? I mean, the whole build up feels so magical. The sky slowly turns darker. The clouds gather like they are carrying a secret. The wind changes and suddenly everything feels different. And then there's a lightning in the distance, soft thunder, and that dramatic cloudy sky. I don't know why, but it makes the whole world feel cinematic. It's like nature is preparing for a beautiful performance. And then here comes the everyone's favorite part, that smell of wet soil. I don't think anything can ever match that feeling. The moment the first drops touch the ground and that earthy fragrance rises into the air, it feels like peace. It feels like a childhood memories. It feels like home. That smell has a way of waking up memories you didn't even know were still inside you. Third one is falling asleep to the sound of rain. Especially the afternoon naps are so magical during the monsoon season. There's something so comforting about lying in bed and just listening to the raindrops falling outside. It makes me feel safe, calm, and quiet inside. On rainy nights, sleep feels softer somehow, like the rain is gently telling the world to slow down for a while. The fourth one has a special place in my heart. That's because I came from a region where the rain falls heavily and my home is surrounded by the greenery, waterfalls, and whatnot. Have you heard the little sounds and signs of monsoon that come with it? The sound of frogs in the background, the freshness in the air, the greener trees and the mountains, even those beautiful moments when peacock dances as if they are celebrating the arrival of monsoon. It's such a lovely reminder that nature feels joy too. Here is the last but not the least. I wait entire year for this moment and hear me out. If you are not doing this in the monsoon season, then you are not romanticizing your life. I think you got me. Yes, I'm talking about the pakoras with the chai and the grilled bhuttas. That combination is pure comfort. Making them at home, the warmth in the kitchen, and the smell of pakoras, everyone gathering together, sharing hot snacks while it's raining outside. That feeling is so unmatched. It's not just a food, it's a togetherness and a celebration of a rain. It's one of those simple joys that makes a home feel extra precious.